Hey, what's up, Reef Finance holder? This time, exactly, my friend, a very badly falls down, and I will give you 100% guarantee to if you watch this video. I hope you never lost, my brother. I will give you guarantee. Alright, let's see, my brother. First of all, the update, but after that, my brother, please subscribe this channel and like this video because every section will guide you, update you. So you need to subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. This time, my brother, you can see here the change occur of this, my friend. You can see last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 7 days. All change occur is fails down, so that's mean to the price is completely decreasing hour by hour, minute by minute, and that's a really bad news for all of you. But don't see, my friend, the short fail. I hope they will move upward, but this is just an only need your focus if you hold at those days. So I hope they will wake up. Let's remember the price prediction. We need to predicate this coin to upcoming time. Can there is a chance so they will move upward or not? So this is the last 1 month chart on the screen. And definitely, my friend, you can see they were badly fares down, and this time in the last 1 month, especially in the start of month, every coin will very badly fails down. So therefore, this time you can see here they very badly fails down. Holders are doing very huge mistake in those days to their starting selling. Definitely, if you have any plan to invest more, so I will suggest you to don't invest in those days because remember this time the price is very badly fails down, so you are completely in the loss if you invest more. I will tell you, my brothers, to at the end invest. I hope, my brother, at the end of month every coin will wake up and moving upward. So therefore, I will give you guarantee to at the end of month they will wake up. So if you invest at the end of month, I hope they will give you a very good profit now. So hope you understand. Refinance holder. First of all, I want to tell you, my brothers, to my opinion. I also share in this video, but please research personally, my brother. This will be very important for you now. My opinion is that to please hold. And what's your opinion? Please tell me in the comment box and research personally if you take a any my friend decision. So hope you understand refinance holder. For more this type video, please like this video and subscribe this channel. Please and press the bell icon for videos notification.